Hello everyone. Today we will show a demo and about we will how to use AWS S3 offloader with Pasa. Pasa's tool storage feature allows all the backlog data to be offloaded to long-term storage, thereby freeing up space in BookKeeper and reduce storage costs. This cookbook works through using two storage in your Pasa cluster. And in here, we will use the two storage, use the Apache G-Cloud to support amazing S3 and Google Cloud Storage for long-term storage. With G-Cloud, it is easy to add support for more cloud storage providers in the future. And now we will use the Pasa version is Apache Pasa 251, and we will use the standalone model. Okay, now we will enter the Apache Pasa, the table, and we will enter the offloader table, and we can cd to Apache Pasa offloaders and move offloaders to Apache Pasa and make sure the in Apache Pasa offloader 251 directory we have the offloaders directory, and in offloader and in offloaders directory we will use the dual storage G-Cloud NAR package. Okay. Before start, we need to create AWS S3 bucket. Now we can to AWS Management Console and click S3. Oh no, we can click the create bucket and the bucket name. The bucket name we can set test Pasa offload. Okay, the range is US West 2. Yes, we can click next, and click create bucket. Okay, the test topic, test Pasa offload bucket has created successfully. Before uploading data to AWS 3, you need to create a bucket in one of the AWS units to store your data. After creating a bucket, you can offload a unlimited number of data objects to the bucket. Okay, next we need to create a group. We can return AWS Manage Console and click the yes. We can now we need to create one group. And in group management console, we can click the groups and create new group. The new group we can set the group name is the test offloader. Oh, sorry. And click next step. And the policy we can select S3. Yes, we can grant the amazing S3 full access permission and click the next step. Okay, we can review the following image and check the message. We can create the group. Yeah, now we have the test offload a group. Next, when we create one group successfully, we need to create a user and use the group. Yes, we can add the user, and the user name is test offload. And we can click manage console and user must, yes, and next missions. And we can select the test, we can select the test offload the group, and the group has S3 for access permission. Yes, we can next. And the text, this is optional, and we can next review. Yes, we can create the user. And now we can download uh, the 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 point CSV file. Okay. Next, we can configure AWS S3 offload driver. Okay, in Apache Parser 2.5.1, we can edit standalone point conf. First, we need to set the manager ledger offload driver and AWS S3, and we can set the S3 manage ledger offload bucket, and the value is the test offload. Yes, and the S3 manage ledger offload range, and the value is S2. Okay. For testing purpose, you can set the you can set the following two configs to speed up ledger rollover, but it is not recommended that you set them in the product environment. One is manage ledger mean ledger roll over 10 minutes, and we can set the time minutes is 1 minute. And the next is manage ledger max entries per ledger, and we can set and we can set the entries per ledger is 500. Okay. And next, we can set the configuring. We can set the AWS access key ID and the AWS secret access key in pass env. Okay, we can win pass env and set that's okay. We can export access key ID and and the AWS copy the AWS access key ID and replace it, and AWS access key, and the script access key. Okay, replace it. Okay. Now we can start this process standalone. Next, we will offload data from BookKeeper to AWS S3. We can execute the following commands in the repos where you download the path table, for example, path2. Yeah. And next, to ensure the data generated is not deleted immediately, it is recommended to set the retention policy, and we can set the and the retention policy is namespace. Okay, we can set retention. The size is the 10 GB and the time is 3 days. Okay, we can use the path tools and move some data. Now we can produce some data to test topic. Yes. And next, the following operation starts after a ledger rollover is triggered. To ensure offload data successfully, it is recommended that you wait until several ledger rollovers are triggered. In this case, you may need to wait for a second. You can check the ledger states use states internal. Yes, we can use the topic as the states internal, and currently uh, um, we are writing the data to 10 ledger, and the entry is uh, okay. Okay. Currently, the ledger has roll over. The ledger rollover. Uh, after the ledger rollover, we can trigger the offloading operation. Uh, uh, okay. Okay, please wait a second. Wait. Okay. Now we can trigger the offloading operation. Yeah, topic is offloader and the size offloader is yes, offloader triggered for test topic for message before 20 later. For 12 later ID. Okay, now we can check the offloading operation states. Okay, we can remove the watch and check the states again. Okay, currently offloader is running. We can test the path offload bucket, and okay, we can link the we can kill the path perf to produce the more dates. Okay, currently the offload is running. We can refresh. Oh, okay. Now here we can look at the topic states internal and the later the offloader states is true. So yes, and in test path offload bucket we can see the index data and the ledger 10 data. Yes, ledger 10 index is metadata and the ledger 10 is data. Yes. Okay, we can check the data upload. Okay. Today today the demo is will stop and topic pass a topic in Pasa is backlogged by uh, uh, we will talk about the offloading machine and a topic in Pasa is backed by a log. No, as a managed ledger, the log is composed of an ordered list of segments. Pasa only every writes to the final segment to the log. All previous segments are scaled, and the data within the segment is immutable. This is known as a segment-oriented architecture. Then the dual storage offloading machine takes the advance of this segment oriented architecture. When offloading is required, the segments of the log are copied one by one to dual storage. All segments of the log, apart from the segment currently being read to, can be offloaded. Uh, on the broker, the admin and the master configure the bucket and the AWS access key and the script key for the cloud storage service. The configured bucket must exit before the timing to upload. Yes, this is all. Okay, we can see the 11 ledger ID, the offloader states is true. And we can refresh. Yes, the offloader, yes, the ledger 11 metadata and data has been offloaded to S3. And we can offload the states. Yes, offload was a success. Okay, thanks everyone.